Hi, it's Scott, and welcome to your virtual video walk around. Looking for a Toyota pickup? I love this one. This is the 2017 Toyota Tacoma, stock number 7310. You want to talk about low miles? How about 8,600 miles? Virtual video walk around is going to be able to show you this Tacoma up close and personal. It has the TRD 4x4 Sport Package, tonneau covering. Absolutely a gorgeous truck. We're going to take you down the driver's side here in just a second. Warranty protection for life, oil changes for life at no cost to you. That is the sunset difference here at Sunset Ford. Take a look at the interior. No rips, no tears, no stains. It's practically like brand spanking new. Super clean truck. Automatic transmission, easy touch, easy access. Power windows, locks, cruise tilt. It's all there. For more information on this truck or any other trucks, I love this truck. Call us, email us, or text us. Better yet, come on down. We'd love to meet you and earn your business. This is Scott Tanner saying make it a great day. Take care.